All right, what's up, guys? So we're back with another video. This time I got a toolbox shipped to me. Shout out to King Rancher 13. He hooked it up. It was hard to find one of these cam lockers, so he found the toolbox and shipped it over to me. So we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see, make sure it fits. Hopefully it didn't come dented. So we'll see how it goes and I'll take you through the install. I guess we'll start popping it open now. So I don't know if you can tell, but I ordered gloss so that it would kind of match with the, color of the truck. So let's pull it out. Alright, so that's the toolbox. It looks like it didn't get any dents that I can see so far, which is super nice because I ordered a UWS one way back and it came super dented. I had to send it back. So I'm super happy that it didn't have any dents because it's kind of a pain in the butt to ship these things back and forth. But looks like we got the right product, which was the first step. So I'm gonna move the trash box out of the way and get it mounted up in the bed. Okay, so I forgot to mention, this is the 71-inch wide box. So this is for full-size trucks like F-150 to F-250 and up. If you have a mid-size truck, I think the size smaller is a 68 or a 69-inch because they got a little bit narrower bed. So make sure you figure out which size bed you have before you go ahead and order one. But if you have a full-size truck, just go with the 71 and it should be good. Alright, so that's how it sits. As you can see, the 71-inch fits pretty nice with the width. Let's see. I'm going to give it a little bit of space so I don't hit the back glass. Here's the mounting hardware, so I'm going to figure out what goes where and then install it. Oh, hell. Oh, hell. Sorry for the Dodge interruption. We don't know this guy. Okay, so it came with these two little foam adhesive strips. This is just so that you have a little cushion between the bed rail and the toolbox. That way it's not vibrating and rubbing down on the plastic. So I'm gonna stick these right here and then do the same on the other side before we go ahead and clamp everything up to the bed rails. So we're gonna go ahead and stick these real quick. Alright, so the easiest way is if you just pull back a little bit of it and just get it started. That way you can keep it straight and keep it as aligned as possible. But this isn't too big of a deal because you're not going to see this since it'll be under the toolbox anyways.
Showing that Aggie ring.
Yeah, you already know. Okay, so now I just apply some pressure, make sure it sticks all nice. Alright, so that side's good. We're gonna do the same to the other side and then get back. Alright, so we got the other side stuck on as well. So now it's ready to go on top of the rails. So just slide it over. It'll help if I lock up this. There we go. I'm gonna get it centered, make sure it's in the right spot before I go ahead and clamp it down too. Alright, so at this point, before you get the J hooks all set in, I'm gonna go ahead and take a tape measure and measure from the front of the bed rail to the back of the box because I wanna make sure that it's square with the front of the bed because I don't want it to be a little bit slanted or not because I'm OCD. So I'm just gonna make sure, if you look right here, I'm measuring right at 23 inches from this corner to the edge. And I did the same thing on the other side as well and made sure that that was 23 too. And then I also checked the depth and we're right at 2 inches on depth. So 2 inches of hangover right here on each side and 23 inches from here. And that's the fitment that it requires to make sure that this rail is not gonna hit your back glass when it opens. If you want to put it all the way up, you can do that too, but just be careful when you open it because it's gonna make slight contact with the back glass. I'm just not gonna do that because I don't want to worry about it cracking or scratching up the glass. So I'm just gonna put it here. I think it looks good, and then I'm gonna get the J hooks out and hook everything together and set it up so it's all good to go. Okay, so this is all the hardware that it is to install this, so it's super easy to take on and off. There's no permanent mods that you have to do to the bed. So it's just a J hook that's gonna go and basically hook in to this rail like this, and then on the top you're gonna have a washer and then a nut. So the washer and the nut is gonna be from the inside of the box, so when it's locked, nobody can, you know, just rip the box out of your bed and steal it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I believe these are 10mm. Jackson's getting me some tools, so we're gonna get these bolted in, and then I think it's pretty much it for the install. The rest of it is just gonna be putting tools in and organizing the whole thing. So we're gonna try to wrap up this install real quick since we're losing daylight. But I know it's a short video, but I just wanted to show off the new box because I thought it was a cool little addition to the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the install and then show you guys how it looks. Okay, so here's the J hook. I got one of them already in. It just goes through the box and then hooks on this rail right here. So then you can see there's a washer and a lock nut, and we're just gonna tighten these down, and that's pretty much it for the install part of it. Then there's also a little storage compartment that's cool, and there's felt all inside of this box so that your tools aren't gonna rattle around and scratch up the whole box. So it's pretty cool. I like how organized and, you know, tight of quality the locks and everything are. It's pretty nice. There's a couple corners that got a little bit of paint chip from shipping, but no big deal. I'm just gonna touch that up with a little paint marker. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this down, and then we should be done. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps up the install. There's a couple extra pieces of felt that came with it. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put those. I don't know if I'm even gonna put them anywhere. I think they might be for these corner pieces, but I don't know if I'm gonna even put tools in there yet. But everything's tightened down. It's pretty sturdy. That's pretty much the whole install. It was a quick video. I just want to show you guys. I'm gonna take some pictures and get it for my Instagram with the Toolbox. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram on the screen, and you guys can check out the pictures and tell me how it looks. Leave a comment. Let me know if you like the rail, or do you prefer the ones without the rail or low profile. Let me know what you guys have on your truck. But I think I'm gonna go with the rail for now. I like the way it looks. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video, and don't forget to like and comment.
Yep.